Nanotechnology is a field of science and engineering that deals with the manipulation of matter at the nanoscale, typically ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. To put this into perspective, a nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter, which is about 100,000 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. At this scale, the properties of materials can differ significantly from their macroscale counterparts, leading to unique and novel characteristics. Nanotechnologies encompass a wide range of disciplines, including physics, chemistry, biology, and engineering, to create new materials, devices, and systems with enhanced functionalities. One interesting fact about nanotechnologies is that they have the potential to revolutionize various industries, from healthcare to electronics, by offering solutions to complex challenges. For example, in medicine, nanotechnologies are being used to develop targeted drug delivery systems that can deliver medications directly to disease cells, minimizing side effects and improving treatment outcomes. In electronics, nanomaterials are enabling the development of smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient devices, such as nanoscale transistors and memory storage. The ability to control and manipulate matter at the nanoscale opens up a world of possibilities for innovation and advancement. As we delve deeper into the realm of nanotechnologies, it is essential to understand the fundamental principles that govern this field and explore the potential applications that could shape the future of technology and science. Nanotechnology has made significant strides in recent years, propelling it to the forefront of scientific research and technological innovation. The current state of nanotechnologies is characterized by a myriad of exciting developments and breakthroughs that have the potential to reshape various industries. One of the key areas where nanotechnologies have made a profound impact is in the field of medicine. Researchers are exploring the use of nanomaterials for targeted drug delivery, imaging, and diagnostics. Nanoparticles can be engineered to specifically target cancer cells, delivering chemotherapy drugs directly to the affected area while minimizing damage to healthy tissues. This targeted approach holds great promise for improving the efficacy of cancer treatments and reducing side effects. In addition to healthcare, nanotechnologies are revolutionizing the electronics industry. The miniaturization of electronic components has been made possible by advancements in nanomaterials and nanofabrication techniques. Nanoscale transistors, sensors, and memory devices are becoming increasingly common in consumer electronics, enabling faster processing speeds, higher storage capacities, and more energy-efficient devices. Furthermore, nanotechnologies are driving innovation in renewable energy technologies. Nanomaterials such as quantum dots and nanowires are being used to enhance the efficiency of solar cells and improve energy storage systems. These advancements have the potential to accelerate the transition to a sustainable energy future. Despite the remarkable progress in the field of nanotechnologies, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main concerns is the potential environmental and health impacts of nanomaterials. Researchers are actively studying the toxicity of nanoparticles and developing strategies to mitigate any adverse effects. Additionally, there is a need for standardized regulations and guidelines to ensure the safe and responsible use of nanotechnologies. Looking ahead, the future of nanotechnologies is filled with promise and possibilities. Continued research and collaboration across disciplines will drive further innovation and unlock new applications for nanomaterials. From personalized medicine to quantum computing, nanotechnologies are poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Nanotechnologies have revolutionized the field of medicine, offering innovative solutions for diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring of various diseases. One of the most exciting applications of nanotechnologies in medicine is targeted drug delivery. Nanoparticles can be engineered to encapsulate drugs and deliver them directly to specific cells or tissues, increasing the efficacy of treatments while reducing side effects. For example, in cancer therapy, nanocarriers can selectively target tumor cells, delivering chemotherapy drugs precisely where they are needed. This targeted approach not only enhances the therapeutic effects but also minimizes damage to healthy tissues. Nanoparticles are also being used for imaging and diagnostics in medicine. Quantum dots, a type of nanocrystal, have unique optical properties that make them ideal for imaging applications. They can be used to label specific biomarkers or cells, allowing for high-resolution imaging of tissues and organs. This technology has the potential to improve early detection of diseases and facilitate more accurate diagnoses. Another fascinating application of nanotechnologies in medicine is regenerative medicine. Nanomaterials can mimic the extracellular matrix and provide a scaffold for tissue regeneration. By incorporating growth factors or stem cells into these scaffolds, researchers are exploring new avenues for tissue engineering and regenerative therapies. Additionally, nanosensors are being developed for real-time monitoring of biomarkers in the body, enabling personalized and precise healthcare. These nanosensors can detect changes in glucose levels, pH, or specific proteins, providing valuable information for disease management. The integration of nanotechnologies in medicine holds great promise for advancing healthcare and improving patient outcomes, ushering in a new era of personalized and targeted therapies. Nanotechnologies have revolutionized the field of electronics, enabling the development of smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient devices. One of the key applications of nanotechnologies in electronics is the miniaturization of components. By utilizing nanomaterials and nanofabrication techniques, researchers have been able to shrink the size of transistors and other electronic components to the nanoscale. This miniaturization has led to the creation of more powerful and compact devices, such as smartphones, laptops, and wearables. Another fascinating application of nanotechnologies in electronics is the development of nanoscale sensors. Nanosensors can detect and respond to changes in their environment with high sensitivity and specificity. For example, nanowire sensors can be used to detect trace amounts of gases or biomolecules, making them valuable tools for environmental monitoring, healthcare diagnostics, and security applications. Nanomaterials are also being used to enhance the performance of electronic devices. Carbon nanotubes and graphene, for instance, exhibit exceptional electrical and thermal conductivity, making them ideal for use in batteries, displays, and conductive coatings. These nanomaterials have the potential to improve the efficiency and durability of electronic devices while reducing their environmental impact. Furthermore, nanotechnologies are driving advancements in quantum computing. Quantum dots, which are nanoscale semiconductor particles, can trap and manipulate individual electrons, enabling the development of quantum bits or qubits. These qubits have the potential to revolutionize computing by performing complex calculations at speeds far beyond traditional computers. The integration of nanotechnologies in electronics is paving the way for a new generation of high-performance, energy-efficient devices that will shape the future of technology. Nanotechnologies hold immense promise for revolutionizing various industries, but they also come with a set of challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. One of the primary challenges facing nanotechnologies is the issue of scalability. While researchers have made significant advancements in manipulating matter at the nanoscale, scaling up these processes to industrial levels remains a major hurdle. The production of nanomaterials and nanodevices in large quantities with consistent quality is a complex task that requires innovative manufacturing techniques. Additionally, the cost of producing nanotechnologies on a commercial scale can be prohibitive, limiting their widespread adoption. Another significant challenge is the potential environmental and health impacts of nanomaterials. The unique properties of nanoparticles can pose risks to human health and the environment if not properly managed. Studies have shown that certain nanoparticles may have toxic effects on cells and organisms, raising concerns about their long-term safety. Researchers are actively investigating the toxicity of nanomaterials and developing strategies to minimize any adverse effects. Furthermore, there are regulatory and ethical considerations that need to be addressed in the development and deployment of nanotechnologies. The rapid pace of innovation in this field has outpaced the establishment of comprehensive regulations to ensure the safe and responsible use of nanomaterials. Ethical concerns such as privacy issues related to nanoscale sensors and the equitable distribution of nanotechnologies also need to be carefully considered. Despite these challenges, researchers are actively working to overcome limitations and unlock the full potential of nanotechnologies. Collaborative efforts across disciplines and industries are essential for addressing these challenges and driving progress in the field. By fostering innovation, promoting responsible research practices, and engaging in open dialogue, we can navigate the complexities of nanotechnologies and harness their transformative power for the benefit of society. The future prospects of nanotechnologies are filled with exciting possibilities that have the potential to transform various industries and improve our quality of life. One of the most promising areas for nanotechnologies is in the field of healthcare. Researchers are exploring the use of nanomaterials for targeted drug delivery, personalized medicine, and regenerative therapies. Nanoparticles can be designed to deliver drugs directly to diseased cells, minimizing side effects and improving treatment outcomes. Nanoscale sensors and imaging techniques are also being developed for early disease detection and monitoring, enabling more precise and effective healthcare interventions. In addition to healthcare, nanotechnologies are poised to revolutionize the energy sector. Nanomaterials are being used to enhance the efficiency of solar cells, improve energy storage systems, and develop new materials for sustainable energy production. By harnessing the unique properties of nanomaterials, researchers are working towards creating a more sustainable and environmentally friendly energy infrastructure. Another exciting prospect for nanotechnologies is in the field of electronics. The continued miniaturization of electronic components using nanomaterials is leading to the development of faster, smaller, and more energy-efficient devices. Nanotechnologies are also driving advancements in quantum computing, with the potential to revolutionize data processing and storage. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of nanotechnologies, new applications and innovations are on the horizon. From nanorobotics for targeted drug delivery to nanoscale sensors for environmental monitoring, the possibilities are endless. However, realizing these future prospects will require overcoming challenges such as scalability, safety, and regulatory issues. Collaborative efforts between researchers, industry partners, and policymakers will be essential for navigating these challenges and unlocking the full potential of nanotechnologies. By investing in research, fostering innovation, and promoting responsible development, we can harness the transformative power of nanotechnologies to create a brighter and more sustainable future. Ethical considerations play a crucial role in the development and application of nanotechnologies. One of the key ethical concerns is the potential impact of nanomaterials on human health and the environment. While nanotechnologies offer exciting possibilities for improving healthcare and advancing technology, there is a need to ensure that these innovations are safe and do not pose risks to individuals or ecosystems. Researchers are actively studying the toxicity of nanoparticles and working to develop guidelines for the safe handling and disposal of nanomaterials. Another ethical consideration is the equitable distribution of nanotechnologies. As these advancements have the potential to reshape industries and create economic opportunities, it is important to address issues of access and affordability. Ensuring that the benefits of nanotechnologies are accessible to all individuals, regardless of socioeconomic status, is essential for promoting social justice and inclusivity. Additionally, privacy concerns arise with the use of nanoscale sensors and devices for monitoring and data collection. As these technologies become more integrated into our daily lives, there is a need to establish clear guidelines for data protection and privacy rights. By addressing these ethical considerations proactively, we can foster responsible innovation and ensure that nanotechnologies are developed and deployed in a manner that upholds ethical standards and societal values. Nanotechnologies have emerged as a transformative force, offering innovative solutions to complex challenges across various industries. From targeted drug delivery in medicine to miniaturization of electronic components, nanotechnologies have demonstrated immense potential for revolutionizing technology and science. The ability to manipulate matter at the nanoscale has led to the development of advanced materials, devices, and systems with unprecedented functionalities. Nanoparticles, nanowires, and quantum dots are just a few examples of nanomaterials that have paved the way for groundbreaking applications in healthcare, electronics, and energy. In medicine, nanotechnologies are enabling personalized treatments, early disease detection, and regenerative therapies, promising a future where healthcare is more precise and effective. In electronics, the miniaturization of components using nanomaterials has led to the creation of faster, smaller, and more energy-efficient devices, driving advancements in computing and communication technologies. Despite the remarkable progress in the field of nanotechnologies, challenges such as scalability, safety, and ethical considerations remain to be addressed. Researchers and policymakers must work collaboratively to ensure the responsible development and deployment of nanotechnologies, safeguarding human health, the environment, and societal values. By investing in research, fostering innovation, and promoting ethical practices, we can harness the full potential of nanotechnologies to create a sustainable and inclusive future for all. The journey of nanotechnologies is just beginning, and the possibilities that lie ahead are as vast as the nanoscale itself.